What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I got a mic, and I also have what you call it? Why does this keep happening? A monitor coming tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So it is 4:35 p.m. So basically when I wake up, the monitor should be there. It's been a little bit, it's been a couple weeks, but it makes sense for, corona reasons. There's, shipping the essential items first, but I think that you can hear me pretty well. And this is a muffler, so I don't sound super weird. Yeah, muffle. So, I ordered it with my own money. This is my own money. But, if you guys know me, and if you don't know this, you probably don't know me. I love poop. Not like to eat it, but it's just a very funny thing. So we're playing Escape Poop Obby Parkour! Yeah. Make my webcam a little better. So yeah, I got a microphone and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in like a week. It's just been Wi-Fi problems and going through some stuff in life, and I'm trying to get some content in for you guys. It's just gonna be a little hard, it's gonna be a little harder, but I will try my best. So please, I wouldn't like any hate in the comments saying, you suck. Gotta make comments for us. I'm not gonna watch you. I wouldn't like that. I'm gonna, do this obby, but also kind of talk to you guys in this video. I just want to grow as a YouTuber, and I want to. Oh, you do. You don't sound those. I just want to grow as a YouTuber. That's one of my dream jobs to do, and it'd be lovely to get, a couple more subscribers. I just want to be at least a little successful and not, like on TikTok. Go follow me, Nolan Dabo and Nolan is Cool 3 on TikTok. Listen, like on TikTok, there's people who have like one video up and have 14,000 followers, and I have I think on my dad's account I have 160 something videos up, and I have 22 followers. I just think I'd like to grow as a channel a little more, and if you guys, like me, then please stick around. Also, that reminds me, please hit that like button if you like this video, and subscribe. Hit subscribe if you, for more videos like this. And hit that notification bell if you like my content. Remember, it's only if you want to. If you guys know the drill. I never force you to do it, or no YouTuber can force you to do it, but never be like and subscribe, like Formula. No offense, Formula, one of my favorite YouTubers, but saying like Formula, like and subscribe right now in the next 5 seconds, or your Fortnite skin will be gone, or some kind of thing like that, scary things like that. Little kids that watch you, Formula. Gotta remember, they might get scared. They might get scared and be like, "Mommy," and then you might get reported, man. So you gotta be careful. You're a kid-rated channel, and I just wanted to let you know, Formula, if you're watching this video. No hate, man. One of my favorite YouTubers, definitely in my top 3, but I'm just saying, just be a little more aware of that. I think that'd be a good idea, because there's little kids out there who watch you and who really love you and who look up to you. But sometimes in your defense, it happens to the point where sometimes it just gets a little too much. And so I keep, linking, allergies. But, it just gets to the point where sometimes it's a little too much, and it definitely can go way too far, and that's where some people take it too far. Not saying Formula does. Formula tries. I understand that he tries to. I'm just trying to give him a warning. I highly doubt that he will see this video, but, if he does, yo, dude, you're probably, my first favorite YouTuber ever. You're, the best in my opinion, one of the best Fortnite players ever. I'd love to be in one of your scrims. If you see this video, Formula, please post your next scrim stuff in the thing, and I'd love to play some scrims with you. Yeah, I'd love to play some scrims with you. It'd be great. It'd be an honor. Because I always like to, but I don't have Instagram or Twitter, which is a good idea because I don't think a 9-year-old should have Instagram or Twitter. But yeah, I don't have an Instagram or Twitter. So I can never see. I know I can go online, but you can't hit the notification on YouTube, for instance. I can't hit the notification bell, basically saying I can't hit a button saying that it will send me a notification when you post. At least for me, that's not how it works. So it's a little harder. I'm not gonna have the thing open, a tab open for Twitter the whole day, because I have other things to do, like upload videos too. So man, if you're watching this video, which is very unlikely, but if you are, then go for it, man. I honestly, go ahead, put your next scrims, host the scrims, and put it in the comments. I'd love to maybe even be your Duno partner. That'd be great. So yeah, so back to what I was talking about earlier about my life story. Yeah, so my parents, we're all going through a time, a time that isn't. It's not the best time because there's quarantine. I have to go back and forth from my dad's to my mom's. If you guys don't know, my parents are divorced. And I'm going, kind of going back and forth between my mom's and my dad's, and I keep looking, and stuff like that. So I just think that it'd be, it was hard to post for a little while, for a week, because I was going through all this kind of stuff, and but I'm gonna try to continue making content as much as I possibly can. This level is really hard. But I will continue to make as much content as I possibly can for you guys. Anybody that watches my videos, probably not a lot of people watch my videos, but whoever does and likes them or not, just watches them, you guys deserve. You guys deserve content, so I want to make as much content as possible for you guys. It's just hard because my parents are divorced and I'm going back and forth with this quarantine, and I just got finished schoolwork, but it's hard. It's hard. It's hard at these times, especially at these times. It's summer and I want to do fun things, but I have to. I'm getting a new monitor. I'm gonna have to go and get a desk or something. We're going out and it's hard because, for instance, my mom wants me to pursue my dream, but YouTube. But it's hard to get things these days because coronavirus. Mailmen don't want to really ship stuff. That's why I only bought 2 things. I would have bought a new webcam and stuff, but I didn't want to hurt the mailman. It's another chance that my mailbox has coronavirus or germs, some kind of sickness on it. So I wanted to be nice, and I just ordered 2 things because I really wanted it. And so just give you some tips on being a YouTuber. Just one tip real quick. A lot of people on TikTok have been asking me, Nolan, how come people aren't watching? And I said, I don't know. So I went, they sent their channel to me. So I watched the videos. They don't talk. They're just like this. Ready? Yay. Alright, next level. So you need to, I think one thing I've learned, also go check out AMPRon7 on YouTube. That's my second channel. So man, you need to speak, because, like, I don't think you guys want to watch me if I'm, you guys don't want to watch me if I'm just like this the whole time. Like, if you're on a live stream, that makes sense. Like, you can kind of be quiet, but, like, because you've been streaming forever long. But, like, also, even in the beginning of a live stream, you know, you don't, they talk. They don't, you know, they don't not talk. And then they start to talk less and less, which makes sense. Which makes sense. But, you know, just saying, like, that's just a little tip for you guys. I'm not a big YouTuber, but, you know, that's something that I've learned, you know. I've gotten more views by talking, you know, talking a little more, and, you know, connecting with you guys and stuff like that. Also, to, like, spread, you know, I know this video has so many different things, but to spread, you know, different things, like, to, like, spread, like, your channel, you should probably go on, like, Reddit or something, you know, just to post your channel, like TikTok, for instance, you know, shout out my channel, Nolan Dabo, that's, you know, that's my channel, go check it out. It gives your channel a chance for people to find you, you know, instead of people just having to find you by randomly once seeing you on their homepage, you know, it's a better chance of that. It's a better chance of it happening, you know. So, that's also another. Yeah, but again, I'm not a big YouTuber, and I have a lot of things to learn. But I'm just kind of sharing what I know that is going to be really helpful in your YouTube career if you guys are looking for a YouTube career too. Also, save up your money. Save your money, 100%. Because if I didn't save my money, I wouldn't be able to get this new monitor and mic. 100% I would not have done. This monitor and mic together was almost $120. So if you don't save your money and you spend it on other things like candy or whatever you're gonna buy with it, it's not gonna work out for you. So just save your money. I've been doing chores and I've been saving my money, because that is a good thing to do. If you don't save your money, you're not going to be able to get new equipment. New equipment equals better content, you know? Like, in the beginning, I noticed. That's why I was like, when I was getting a monitor, I was like, hey, John, you know, I want to see if there's any mics for sale. Because my voice, I was using this computer, my laptop, mic, because, of course, a monitor doesn't have a mic, and I sounded really bad. I sounded really bad. And, that's why, you know. So, I was like, hey, you know, can I get a mic or something? And he's like, sure, let's see what's here. This mic was $32. It really wasn't that bad, but if you didn't save your money and you spent your money all on candy, you wouldn't have $32, would you? I think you like my hair, it looks pretty good. Also, if you guys play Fortnite, I'm trying to look for a way to get, I'm trying to save it for a PC, and so, I'm trying to save it for a PC so that I can play Fortnite, on the computer, but I play on the Switch, so it's kind of hard. But I will try to play Fortnite. Or like show you Fortnite in a video. But yeah, if you guys don't save up, you wouldn't have those $32 to buy this mic, or buy a mic, or a monitor, or something you guys want, you know. So also if you want to save up money, you can get a good screen recorder, like a quality screen recorder, not, you know, some garbage free screen recorder. You can get something that's quality, and you can edit on it and stuff like that, you know. But if you don't save up your money, you can still be really successful if you don't save up your money, but you're going to be a lot more successful in life if you save your money. Your parents save their money all the time. Like all the time. That's all they're doing with their money. They're not just constantly spending it. But I am running out of time. But if you guys do want a part 2 to this, then that'd be great. Greatly appreciated. I love doing this, you know, talking to you guys and giving you tips. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did, please leave